Here's two little fellers that was born yesterday. Oh, don't take off, mama. Yeah. Yeah, you got you some purdies, don't you? Hello, folks. It's that time again for What's for Supper with... No. We're going to be making a cake for chickens. That's a total different episode there, folks. You can buy these in the store. Well, we found this recipe where it's a whole lot cheaper just making your own. Chickens like it. Now this here, you can make it however you want to, folks. We're going to be putting scratch feed in ours, some rolled oats, and we're going to be putting a little bit of cinnamon and cayenne pepper. It's around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Dan saved the day. And then we put some eggs, and then you're going to put in coconut oil, blackstrap molasses, and then we'll mix this all together, and then we're going to bake it for approximately 30 minutes. We'll let you know the exact time that we did it, and then we'll give it to the chickens. Let's get started. Alrighty, we put a half a cup of coconut oil in there. You could use bacon grease. Now we're putting in blackstrap molasses.
It's coming out slow as molasses.
Yep, sure is. Alrighty. Pretty close. Now I'm going to set that in the microwave there for just a minute. Well, about 30 seconds. Let it warm up a little bit.
We'll be back after it warms up.
Alright, we're going to put in 1 cup of rolled oats. Somewhere close to that there. Be right back. We cooked it there for a little bit, maybe just a little bit longer. Coconut oil is finally starting to go liquid. I told Daniel, this here is almost like when we used to make fish bait for carp, which is really fun. Quarter cup of flour, put that in there. We put 1 cup of oats. We'll put our seasonings in there in just a minute. Alrighty, 2 cups of scratch grain. Now this here's already got our sunflower seeds and everything in there. As you can see, we're using our coffee cans. We try to reuse everything, folks. Let me get this out of the microwave. Oh yeah. Now, take our spoon, we'll stick that in there and we'll give that a stir. Okay. Now, like I said, just whatever you want to put in there. Now we're going to put in 4. We got these little eggs. This is 1 time. You can just go ahead and break your shells up and put them down inside your cake. I wouldn't recommend this any other time, folks, but here in a minute, just try to break the eggshells up. Got 1 more there somewhere. I'll have to take a break here in just a second and wash my hands. Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome.
Your chickens will go crazy over this here.
Alrighty. Now, let's add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Alrighty, we got our teaspoon of cinnamon in there. Now a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Both those are good for your chickens. It helps with their immune system and helps fight off diseases and stuff like that there. Now I'm going to give this a quick stir, and then what we'll do, we'll add our other stuff and then we'll bake it. Okay, we just stirred the egg up there and everything. Now, let's add in our other stuff here. And then we'll mix it all up. Give it a good stir. And now, like right now, folks, we're not giving our chicken layer pellets. We're just giving them scratch feed. We're adding the soybean meal. That would have been real good to mix a little bit in also, but we didn't get it in there. Not this trip anyway. But just, you could add some grit into this, the oyster shell.
Like we say on What's for Supper Wednesday, make it your own.
Exactly. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more flour to this. Alright, I add just a little bit more flour. And then what we're going to do, we've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. We'll put this here in our pan. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't mean to hit you. Alright, I think it's about ready. Now what I'm going to do, we don't have no parchment paper right now. That would be good to line your pan with. But we do have some Baker's Joy. We'll spray the pan down with that. And then hopefully it'll pop out good. Alrighty. That you a coughing in there, Shug? Like I said, folks, have fun. Alright. Then just press it down in your pan. We're using a little 8x8 inch here. And then we're going to bake it for 30 minutes and we'll see what it does. See you in 30 minutes, folks. Okay, folks, it come out of the oven. We'll let it cool. And tomorrow, we'll let Carolyn, while I'm at work there, she can take it up there and show if the chickens eat it or not. Thank you for watching.
Okay, guys, we're going to see how the chickens like this. What is that? They figured it out. Oh, sorry, girls. Come on. I think they like it.
Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. This video here was number 500. It's hard to believe that we've done 500 videos now. I'd like to thank each and every one of you. We really appreciate all of you for watching. And hopefully we've at least entertained you along the way. Y'all are great. We really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope y'all have a blessed day and also a blessed weekend. It's Friday. You all take care, and Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Monday. Thank y'all again for watching. Y'all have a great day.